In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a WAV file to MP3 using VLC Media Player. This is one of the easiest and completely free ways to convert audio without installing any extra software, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you work with audio files, podcasts, music, or voice recordings, this is a super useful trick to know. Before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from the official VLC website, and it only takes a minute to set up. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar, click on Media, and from the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open a new window where we can add the audio file we want to convert. In the Open Media window, make sure you're on the File tab, click the Add button, then browse your computer and select the WAV file you want to convert to MP3. Once your WAV file is added to the list, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom. This will take you to the Convert screen, where you choose the output format and destination. Now, in the Convert window, look for the Profile drop-down menu. This is where you choose the format you want to convert your audio into. Open the drop-down and select Audio MP3. This tells VLC that the output file should be an MP3 instead of WAV. If you want, you can also click the wrench icon to adjust bitrate or quality, but for most users, the default MP3 settings work perfectly fine. Next, look at the destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want to save your converted file. Pick a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or music folder. This next step is very important. When you name your file, make sure you add the .mp3 extension at the end of the file name. For example, you might name it myaudio.mp3. If you don't add the .mp3 extension, VLC may not save the file correctly, so don't skip this step. After naming the file, click Save. Once everything looks good, click this Start button. VLC will begin converting your WAV file to MP3. You won't see a big progress window, but you can watch the VLC timeline at the bottom. When the progress bar finishes and stops moving, the conversion is complete. Now go to the folder you selected earlier, and you should see your new MP3 file ready to use. You've successfully converted a WAV file to MP3 using VLC Media Player, completely free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.